Hi, good evening. Magandang gabi. Tonight on Learn Tagalog, let's start learning Tagalog homographs. And I'm planning to do that every week because we have a lot of Tagalog homographs. And I'm planning to do it alphabetically, so let's start with letter A and B for tonight. And also, you can check the info below sa ibaba for the homographs and the meaning. Or turn on your CC. If it's not on, click on the CC sa video. I think it's here. Homographs ay yung mga salita na they share the same spelling but they are either pronounced the same or not. And they have a different meaning. So, let's start. Our first word is abala. Abala. If you pronounce the word abala, 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 it means being occupied or busy. So instead of saying busy ako, I'm busy, you can say abala ako. Abala ako. Busy ako sa pagluluto. I'm busy cooking. You can say abala ako sa pagluluto. I'm busy cooking. Abala. And abala, occupied or busy. And the other pronunciation is abala. 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 Abala means sa Ingles ay disturb or bother. So, if you're busy or abala ka and someone keeps bothering you and you wanna say, istorbo ka, istorbo, istorbo, bother or disturb sa Ingles, you wanna say, istorbo ka. Instead of saying, istorbo ka, you can say, abala ka. They mean the same. Abala ka. Abala, disturb or bother, and abala means occupied or busy. Example using abala, if you wanna talk to someone and you wanna say, I hope I'm not disturbing you, or I hope I'm not bothering you. Sana hindi ako nakakaabala sa'yo. Sana, I hope, hindi ako, I'm not, disturbing you, nakakaabala sa'yo. Or, if you wanna say, am I bothering you or am I disturbing you? Instead of saying, nakaka-istorbo ba ako? You can say, nakaka-abala ba ako? Nakakaabala ba ako? And we have the word araw. It is pronounced the same and it could either mean day as araw, or the sun. Anong araw na? What day is it now? Magandang araw, good day, or araw as the sun. Example, looks like it's gonna rain. Parang uulan. Parang uulan. Looks like it's going to rain. There's no sun. Walang araw. Next word is baba. Baba means the chin. But if you pronounce the word baba, baba means get off, down, or below. So, example ng baba, if you say get off, if you want to tell someone to get off, baba, baba. Or example, another example, let's say you're riding a bus or a jeepney, or someone gave you a lift and it's time for you to get off and you want to say, this is where I get off. Dito na ako bababa. Bababa. Dito na ako bababa. Or someone's looking for you and you wanna say, I'm down here. Andito ako sa baba. Or andito ako sa ibaba. Andito ako sa baba. Or example, another example, let's say I want you to click a link on the video and I want to say, click the link below. I-click ang link sa ibaba. Or i-click ang link sa baba. Baba. Baba and baba. We have the word baka. Baka means cow. Baka. The other pronunciation is baka. Baka means maybe. Baka, maybe, and baka, cow. So, example ng baka, if you wanna say, maybe she's not there. Baka wala siya dyan. Baka wala siya dyan. But, just a heads up, some people pronounce the word just the same. Instead of saying, they mean to say, maybe she's not there. Instead of pronouncing the word baka, baka wala siya dyan, they pronounce the same. They pronounce the word the same and they say, baka wala siya dyan. Baka. Baka, cow. May baka kami. We have a cow. May tatlo kaming baka. We have 3 cows. And again, with baka as maybe, baka magalit siya. Maybe she'll get mad. Baka magalit siya. And some people pronounce the word as baka, the cow. They say the word as baka, baka magalit siya. Our last Tagalog homograph word is basa. Basa means wet and basa, basa means read. If I want to say, I'm reading a book, nagbabasa ako ng libro. At example ng basa, if you want to say, for example, it rained and you want to say, the road is wet. Basa ang kalsada or basa ang kalye. Basa ang kalsada. Basa ang kalye. Last example ng basa as read. Example, eksakto, I have a book here. Let's say there's a word and you're not sure how to read it, you want to ask someone. Example, here, how do you read this word? Sa Tagalog, how do you read this? Anong basa mo dito? Anong basa mo dito? Basa and basa. Ayan lang for our Learn Tagalog Homograph words and more Tagalog Homograph words next week. See you in the next video. Good night!